Another way to interact with the visualizer is to submit an image of your home to the Pro Design Services option. This will allow our team to professionally map out your image for use in the visualizer. What you will receive back is a fully interactive project that will have all of the clean lines and aesthetic details that you might expect from a sample gallery home. To submit your image, first go to the Design Services submission form. There are some details about what to expect. It typically takes 3 to 5 business days for the team to map out an image, and the fee for that is $75. Once you have filled out your contact details, you can drag and drop the image that you would like to have prepared into the box on the right, or you can click to browse your device. There is additional information about the requirements for your image in the section below. If you have a blueprint plan that is in PDF file format, you may need to use a screen capture program to isolate the image that you would like to submit. When saving your screenshot, make sure to select JPEG or PNG file formats. In the box above, you can list any instructions for how you would like to have the team prepare your project. You can include details such as area that you would like to have mapped out by the team, products that you would like to include on your image, and other elements such as walls that you would like to have separated for different product types. Make sure to include all of the details in this box. Once you have entered all of the details about how you would like our team to prepare the project, you can proceed to the next page. To pay for your order, open the PayPal payment portal. You can pay with a PayPal account, but if you do not have a PayPal account or you would prefer to pay with a company credit card, make sure to find the Pay with Credit or Debit Card option in the lower portion. Once you have entered your payment details, you will receive a confirmation that you have successfully submitted your request. Once your project has been received and reviewed by the preparation team, you will receive an email confirmation. 3 to 5 business days later, once the preparation of your project has been completed, you will receive an additional email from the team with the link to your interactive project. By clicking on the link in the email, you will open your interactive project. Once the project loads, you'll see that the team will have applied a sample design to get you started. You can use the Compare toggle to look at the before and after of your image. You can also change any of the products that are currently applied on the home simply by clicking on the image or clicking on the list on the left. Just like a sample gallery project, you can save a copy of this project to your visualizer account in order to start saving multiple designs using the snapshot menu. If you haven't already created an account, make sure you do that now. If you do already have an account, make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in to your account, click on the Save icon. Now that your project is saved, you can use the snapshot menu to save multiple designs. You can also share this project through Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or even by email. Once again, this is a fully interactive project which allows you to change all of the products and colors for the areas that have been mapped out by the team. If you need to make changes to the layout of the project, simply send an email reply to the Design Services team and make your request. They are happy to process changes for you. If you would like to submit more than one image of your project, such as the front and the back, You will need to remember that each submission requires a separate form. We hope you have a wonderful design services experience.